Okay, I have the microphone a little bit further away from my face this time. Hopefully, you can't hear the sounds of my lips moving and whatnot, as you could in the other videos. Kind of uncomfortable. But yeah, okay. I'm just gonna go over the unholy notion that is posting.php. Um, it's just straight up spaghetti code, top to bottom. Um, if you remember from the previous videos, we talked about mode, how mode was set automatically. Well, mode corresponds to a part of this application. Now, the part of the application as it's built is it's linear, meaning that there's like blocks of code where if certain mode elements are available, they're automatically performed in line. This should be all in, like there should be classes for each of these particular functions rather than just having a linear, you know, execution of code, but that's not the reality, so we'll deal with it. But yeah, like I said, just gonna go over like the whole of the application um, as it exists in the script. So posting that PHP top to bottom. See, this is where mode starts being used. You can check mode is bump, if mode is post, and then it's or edit. Here you can see uh, post data, post user ID. See, I'm gonna have to go through this and actually see what is in post data. I think post data is conditional. I think when I was looking at it before, it was conditional based upon what requests were made. So this isn't post data as in like posted to the server. This is post data as in message board post data. Do, 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 do. Okay, if there's polling, this will run again. Only numeric IDs. So if mode equals edit, it'll set up a poll data array, which is just a copy of this, I guess. Yeah, it looks like some kind of configuration thing. So original poll data. Okay, parse message. Okay, and that was for mode equals edit. So this is another mode equals edit. See what I mean about how everything is just built like one by one and you have to go through this iteratively? Like I said before, ideally this would all be in classes and laid out correctly, but it's not. It's terrible. Ugly code. PHPBB people, be ashamed. I haven't found variable or vulnerabilities yet, but your code is ugly. Okay, post ID. This comes in directly from user submission, but it is a numeric value, so let's get past that. So this is in post D or post ID. So I guess this is just set to anonymous or the current username, depending on who the user is, anonymous or anybody else. Enable magic URL. So I guess this is just a flag. Okay, so here we go again. If mode is edit, attach sig, smileys, BB code. So these are just Boolean toggles that are set. Boolean toggles that are set. The ternary operation. So this is just a double assignment all the way through to false. Weird. So it sets this to this, and then it sets this to 0 or false. Weird. I guess just kind of zeroes it out. User owns some drafts. Okay, so this is under the post mode. So this doesn't have anything to do with edit. So this is something completely different. Post. Ideally, we'd want to continue looking at edit stuff, but since post is here, we're going to look at it anyway. This, and this are all numeric. This comes from the user auth object, which is safe. Oh, I'm so congested. Probably shouldn't record these when I'm congested. Okay, this I went over before. This is check values. This is just a bit shifted mask that it uses in order to determine whether or not things are okay or things are enabled. So it checks if this is enabled and this is enabled and this is enabled and this is enabled, and it just bit shifts them. I don't know why they did it that way and didn't just use normal variables, but that's I don't know. PHPBB people are crazy. But here you see numeric. Here is edit again. So now we're back on track with edit. So the message parser BB code UID is from here. Okay, BB code status, ACL get, make sure that it has BB code permission, I guess. So set this, set this, set this, set this. URL status. I think this is set directly from a file, so I don't think there was any control over it. So if mode is post, reply, or quote, and the save flag is set. Okay, so request variable subject. Okay, this is taken in directly as a string. UTF-8 normalize NFC. If not subject and mode not equals post. So that's a bit of tricky. Subject. Okay. Yeah, so it assigns directly to the requested variable or to post data topic title if there is none. So this has nothing to do with edit. Once again, this is reply, post, and quote. Okay, and then the message is taken here. Once again, UTF normal or UTF-8 normalized. Message, it's a string value. So how do I get to save? This might be interesting, because I want to see how this is built. I haven't actually looked at to how these inserts are built. I'm not sure if they're prepared queries or what are they. I don't think they are, because they just go SQL query. So I have to look at the automated build mechanism to see if I can actually get this to break. So let's go ahead and set a breakpoint here. You know what, I'll refer back to that in a little bit. I'm going to continue going. So the query, let's assume that this is not injectable. It probably isn't, might be, I have no idea based on message and subject, considering they come in from the same place. But meta info, okay, if mode equals post, append SID equals form ID, topic ID. Yeah, those are numeric, those are fine to be dropped in like that. And then it sets meta refresh to 3 seconds. Weird. Draft saved. Okay, sprintf buffer return topic. Meta info. Trigger error. So if this executes, it errors out. So that's weird. So what is confirm box? Okay, let's do it this way. Let's set a breakpoint there. It should get there no matter what. Just see if we can force our way in there. So we want method post. We want mode equals post. So how do we get save? Let's go backwards. Okay, it's taken directly from save. So save equals 0 or 1 or whatever we want. Method equals post. And save equals true. Let's see if that gets us to where we want to go. Nope, did not. Okay, so let's go back to posting. So it should be post and forum ID should be 2. And f equals 2. Okay, so I'm not logged in. I wasn't able to create my session, so I have to log in again. So it stopped the application, so I gotta play it all the way through. Play, 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 play. Okay, return to the previous page. We'll stop that. Now we log in at that. Come on. There we go. play, play. So this is where we start off. So we know we get post. Let's see, what's this? Well, that's just a to-do marker. So let's see if we get here. Toggle breakpoint, play. Okay, so we did get there. Remove that. So let's set a breakpoint here. Play that and make sure we're authed. So we are authenticated, that's true. So we can disable that. Okay, so let's set a breakpoint here, make sure we get past this scenario. Play that. Okay, so this is the next breakpoint. Gonna remove this. So posting parse message 392. Okay, so save is false. Why is save false? Save is supposed to be true. Let's set it to true. I'm gonna stop that. So I'm gonna execute that again. Play. Save. False? What the hell? Save. It's supposed to be true if, oh, post save. So it has to come in via post. So let's go ahead and execute this again. Actually, let's stop this. And then we'll execute this. Okay, now the application is being traced. We can start it. Keep going. Okay, now save should be true. Yep. Okay, so save is true. User data is registered. Let's make sure that is true. User data. Where's user? User data is registered. Should be true. Yep, because I'm using a logged in user. Okay, so that is pathed, and ACL get save drafts. I believe we do have that permission. And mode equals reply, mode equals post, or mode equals quote. So we should be able to break in here. Let's step. Oh, let's step to return. Step to return. Sorry, I forgot we're way up there. So this is the next one. So the ACL get. And if we did get that, we should be fine. Yep, here we go. So we're in save draft now. Let's say subject is UTF-8 normalize NFC. So we're gonna have to try to run it again, but set subject to be something arbitrary. So let's step. Let's play, go over the request variable. Application terminate. What did it terminate with? Well, while we're here, let's go back. So subject and message. Okay, I'm starting it back in the debugger again. That'll connect here in a second. There we go. Okay, so here we are again. Single step to return. Okay, step into the application. Okay, so now subject after this next step should have a value. Oh, come on. I'll tell the UDF normalize, so let's see strings. Blah, yeah, that came directly from the parameter. Okay, so they should be blah now. Oh, wait, no. Maybe now. Yeah, now it's blah. Okay, if not subject, so subject is something. And mode not equals post, post data, topic, subject. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be blah again. Yeah, you can see it. It just redid itself. Okay, so message is going to be the next one. Step over it to return. Oh, one more step. Return. Oh, last step. So message is going to be blah woo. If we remember, that came directly from here. Subject equals blah, message equals blah woo. Okay, so we're going to step into this condition. If confirm box equals true, I'm not sure what the confirm box is all about. I'm going to step into that. That's in function.php. Also if check. Aloha! Hold on, I'm recording something. Hidden fields. Or somebody just came home. So hidden fields array numeric can contain stuff. Can contain stuff. And attachment data right there. So no strip slashes, no field array. I'm sorry, no special characters. So array, field array, let's see what this is. Okay. So since these are both false, they're not messed with at all. Is this a vulnerability? No, it can't be. That would be too easy. So remember that this is not controllable. I'm guessing this is recursive somehow. Build hidden fields, yeah, it looks like it's recursive. Hidden name equals save, value equals 1. And yeah, here it is. Okay, so all it's doing is it's building a table of fields. Just gonna execute till return. Okay, I'm gonna step one time so I can look at these. Yeah, just what I thought. How does it deal with attachment data? You give it attachment data, that would be something to look at. Okay, hidden fields array, icon ID, disable BB code. So these are just static hidden fields, I guess. For each hidden fields as name. Look at hidden fields. Yeah, it's like I expected, it's just these. Okay, wait a second. For each hidden fields as name, okay, that's a default value. This isn't even needed. Default isn't even needed. It's for each hidden fields as name. Well, I guess that's a default value. That's what they want. They're not even setting it. They're just unsetting it. Oh, never mind. Never mind. So wait. Here we're taking in data directly from the outside. What the hell is hidden fields used for? Okay, I'm gonna have to step here. So if the name is icon ID, so if it's not set, unset it from the hidden fields? Okay, so that makes sense, I guess. Kind of unnecessary, but sure. Okay, if is boolean, this might be bad. So is icon ID is 0. So should we go disable BB code? See, it's just unsetting each one of these. disable magic URL. See, there's wiggle room in this application. Right now, you can feel it. Like, there's just a likelihood that there's something wrong somewhere. It's just too stupid not to have something wrong. But okay, so I'm thinking right now, if I... Okay. Yeah, I think I can arbitrarily set this. So let me try lock topic. Let me see what that does. Okay, we're gonna have to cancel that. Load that. Save equals 1. And lock topic equals blah blah. Hello. Okay. And the lock topic was that. What was that last thing I needed? Mode equals post. Save equals enabled. Mode equals posts. Lock topic. Oh, subject and message. Whatever. And message. Whatever. 2. Oh, I have to stop this first. Execute that. Okay, let's play it back down to that loop. Come on. Okay, so here's the loop again. So is post name, icon ID. Let's play it one more time. Name is disable BB code. What was the one that we supplied? Lock topic. So let's go ahead and play that again. Nope. Play it again. Nope. Disable magic URL. Nope. Attach sig. Lock topic. So this should step past it, because that is set. Yep, there we go. So it's not going to be Boolean, but it is going to be set directly right there. Execute till return. Hold on, what's that one? I guess it is Boolean. Well, yeah, it is Boolean. Lock topic is Boolean. So hidden fields.name. Let's look at this. Hidden fields. Lock topic. It's gonna be Boolean false. What? Request var name. Can I step it once? What in the... Okay, yeah, here it is. Yeah, I just had to step it once. So you can see blah blah, single quote, end quote, and greater than. So yeah, it does sanitize some stuff, not single quotes though. So lock topic doesn't seem to sanitize single quotes at all. So let's set a breakpoint down here. Breakpoint. And then we'll continue execution. This is just doing every single one of the fields as we saw before. Let's see what it gave me. Yeah, here you can see it echoed out to the page. I don't know. Am I still recording? Sorry, got distracted. Just looking at things. Oh. Yeah, so here you can see. Oh, it saves the variables with the bug posts and all. I don't know. Is that a Zen thing? I'm not sure if that's a Zen thing or not. Confirm key equals 2p. What the frick? Fricker fracker. Yeah, so here you can see the values coming in there. The double quotes are always sanitized out. Damn it. If it's a crimping things. So most of the application could be considered pretty secure. Except for this right here. Because if it uses that every single time, that request var method, then whenever it pulls a string, it's always going to be encoded every single time. It's a pain. Okay, well, I'm gonna stop the video here. It's too long anyway. Stop.